Welcome back, guys, to the channel. Today I'm gonna do a quick install. One of the boss's trucks. We're gonna do some tow mirrors. We're gonna replace these old style tow mirrors, and we're gonna put these new ones that we got in. I want to see how they look on there. I haven't unboxed them, but it looks like it's got the plugs, the wiring. We'll see. Bear with me. It's one camera. So these are the new mirrors. They're smoke lens, and they actually have this is the plug, so these should be plug and play, which are good. These got sequential marker on them, but these mirrors should mount right up to the old ones, and we'll go from there. We'll see. We'll take them off. So, pry this out. So it looks like should be 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts right there. 180. Yep. Hey. Me tengo que ganar los clientes, güey. A ver, agárralo. Es que me tengo que ganar los clientes. A ver, does it come off? I gotta take it off the door panel. Déjalo así. Nah, déjalo así. Oh. Nah. Yeah, but I got that plug in there. I haven't pulled. I gotta take the plug off. Hurry up. Vete para acá. Alright, so continuation of these install. So the mirrors are on, but now we have to figure out a way to run the running light and the turn signal on these. This is an old truck, so obviously there's no power for a turn signal or running light in the door. So this is the harness, and I already tested it, but I'm gonna run it through underneath the foot pedal, run it through the groove, whatever the hell they call it, the boot, and then I'm gonna run it to this. And the connection is the same, so it's good, but this is already grounded, and the power mirrors doesn't work, so the switch has to get replaced. And once that works, and we'll try it, and we'll do the same on the other side, repeat. But right now, we gotta fit it through the motor, through the firewall, and we'll go from there. Let me go. Alright, Tabo, over there. See if we can grab this. You might have to go with this. Dang, I need to poke a hole in here. Damn it. Where's my blade at?
Your blade?
My box blade. Things over there. So right now I'm trying to tap into the turn signal so I can get a running light and a turn signal for that mirror, because like I said, there's no connection inside. So I'm stripping back this, not gonna connect. Same wire that I had earlier, which is wood. So this last one right here is the turn signal, and the middle one is the. So there's the turn signal, and the middle one is the running light. I'm stripping this back. I'm gonna connect them right now. And I'm gonna solder them. And I'm gonna get them going. Yeah? Keep going. Huh? Keep going. Keep going? Yeah. So my brown will be my running light. Now I gotta solder that. See it? Yeah. ¡Qué suertudo! Vale, ver. Fucking pissed, dude. We're all pissed. Whoa. Chappers was pissed. Mira, ¿para qué se puta hoy no sabe do it? Yeah, it's recording. What? Someone's recording it. Dude, he's been waiting all his life for them to invite him to do something besides work. This dude comes from Florida. First season here, dude. No logo hops on the forklift. And then gets invited to play volleyball. I gotta run this wire out through here. Right over here. The belt was cute. We'll come back. I gotta figure it out. We're live. So, I already ran the wire in the parking lot. I'm about to hook them up to this one, so I gotta solder it. I can't remember which one. So I might have to test it. Before I make the full connection. Before I do that, I'm just going to press this back so I can access the wire. And then test pipe. Oh, cut. That's what we're going to do right here. Yeah, dale la llave. Do the light, cause you gotta come over here and check it out. I can't see the light. Top one's blinking. Top one's on, the bottom one ain't blinking. Okay. That's it. So that's it. You good? You turn it off. So that's our connection. We're gonna go ahead and solder these connections right now. Waiting on my brother to come back. Hold the camera. Turn it off. Oh, I need you to help me. Alright. Alright guys, so the mirrors are installed. That's how they look like. I turn on the truck, see if they turn on, so I can see what they look like. But they look good. I mean, for this body style truck, these new tow mirrors look good. And then it's got a turn signals in them as well. So, other than that, it came out good. It wasn't that bad. The wiring wasn't that bad, but we got it going. So yeah, there they are. They look good. Hope the boss man likes them.